So today I'm going to show you how to build this outboard support stand. This one is mobile as well. So let's get into it. So as I was searching online looking for an engine stand to set my motor up on, all of them I found at least $100 or more for what I need for my outboard. So I went online, found some directions on building one. I set this up to where you can get screenshots of these. I could only find 4 of the 6 pages online, but this way you can pretty much figure it out off of the prints. But this is the process I went through. You can check around at different places like flea markets and so forth. That's what I did. Got the wheels really cheap, found some other parts really cheap. So here's the build process. So far we got the main support right now. This has, you want to put them into the short side, but it's got 2, 4, 6 across this board and over here. Then you have 2 running through the back here into this piece and 2 running into this piece. And that's on both sides. Next, what you're going to do, this sub base frame, you're going to put up the legs, mount those at the very beginning, then you can base it off the angle of where that sits, make sure everything's straight, and you can get that lined up. What I have is 2 up here on each side. I have 2 screws on the front side, which are going to be covered by the 2x6s. So I got 2 screws going in here. I've got 1 going in up top right now. I'm going to run 2 screws in through underneath, and then I'm also going to run 2 screws in from underneath up here as well, from the underside, while I put the wheels on. The front support is already on. Got 2 screws in there on each side, holding it in place. Hardest part's cutting the wood and getting the angles. These are 1 inch 5/16 lag bolts. I drilled out a pilot hole for each one after I brought it up, templated it out, and then put these in, torque them down, get them nice tight, and we got all our wheels locked on. I wanted to make sure those were down at the very end to help support as far out as I could on that outboard. And then these I brought in just a little bit because I didn't need the weight coverage out here as much as I needed it closer to here. I may end up adding another pair of wheels, I'm not sure. Hopefully this should work out fine. Got the cross pieces, these are the two 2x6s. Unfortunately, my one drill bit that I had left that I can find right now that's good enough to use for a pilot hole snapped on me. So I've been having to run these in completely, but normally you want to drill pilot hole to run through, make sure it keeps it from cracking. But when we get these last two pieces put on, then our cart's pretty much set up. There we go. There's the clamp. So that's going to do it for this DIY episode. If you have any comments, make sure to leave them below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed with me yet, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. You'll get notifications of future episodes. So stay tuned for the next one.